Hey guys, it's Mons here, aka Mr. Logic, and I literally got an email yesterday from Google with the release of the new Gemini 3, and I thought, let's give it a go. So it says, try it free of charge, and I can do stuff, I can vibe code, reason across modalities, build agents and stuff. And so let's head over, try it free of charge in AI Studio. So let's try that. Build your ideas with Gemini. So here I see that I have Gemini 3 Pro preview. And what do I have here? Create conversational voice apps. I think that sounds really interesting because I think one of the most interesting things you can build is to replace like normal forms on a website. So let's try that out. So it seems like this is going up here so to be like a piece of the puzzle. And then I can describe your idea. Okay, so I'm thinking I don't want to create like a game or anything not really useful. So I'm thinking about more logical stuff. I want to create something that I can sell, like in a business. I think that is a better approach. So I think like one of the worst forms I've ever seen is on a moving business. So you enter all these details about where you're moving from and where you're moving to and all the stuff that's needed. So why don't we just create a website for a moving business? So I will be speaking out my idea here. I want to create amazing website for a moving business, and I want to skip the traditional form that takes forever to fill in. And instead I want to use a voice agent that collects the data from the customer. And please collect all that you can think of in a moving business, and also include to calculate the price instantly to the customer. And feel free to ask me any additional questions since I'm not really in the moving business myself. So let's build that. So here I say integrate the scheduling system. Enable customers to book their preferred moving dates and times directly through the voice agent. Yep, that sounds, I will add that to the chat then. So that ends up over here now. So what else do I have? Bring your app to life. Add service options. Allow customers to select additional services like packing, unpacking, and storage or tailor their moving service. Yep, let's do that. Nano Banana powered apps. So, Nano Banana is more for images, so I don't want to be using that at the moment. Implement a real-time quote calculator. Yes, I definitely want that. Never start from a blank page. Generate images with a prompt. VO3, okay. So it's working, and I'm putting this video on pause, and I'll be back in a minute. So now I see what it's built. It's been going for 105 seconds. So like in 1.5 minutes, it built this. And allow this app to request access to my microphone. So I would allow that. And you see also down here, the additional prompts that I entered they've just been saved to some kind of queue. So I would add them to the system as well. And let's see where this ends up. I'll be back in a few seconds again. Okay, so it seems to be ready to try out. So let's speak to the guide. Hi there. I want to order or ask questions about, I'm moving.
Hi there. Glad I can help with your move. Let's start with the basics. Where are you moving from and to? And about how big is your move? Like a studio or a 2-bedroom?
I'm moving from Dallas to New York, and I have a 2-bedroom apartment today.
Great. Dallas to New York for a 2-bedroom. Do you have a specific date you're thinking of moving?
I'm thinking actually Christmas Eve this year.
Christmas Eve. Excellent. We do have some availability that day. Right now, we have morning, midday, and afternoon slots open. Would any of those work for you?
I prefer moving directly in the morning.
Morning it is. Just to be sure, did you need any extra services with your move, like packing, unpacking, furniture assembly, or storage?
I have a big piano that I want to bring. Can you handle that?
Yes, we can definitely handle a piano. I'll add that to the details for the quote. Based on your 2-bedroom move from Dallas to New York on Christmas Eve with the piano, would you like me to generate a quote?
Yes, please.
I have a quote for you. The estimated cost for your 2-bedroom move from Dallas to New York on Christmas Eve with the piano is $1,070. Does that sound okay?
That sounds more than reasonable.
Fantastic. Would you like to go ahead and book your move for the morning slot on December 24th?
Yes, please.
Great. Could I get your full name to finalize the booking?
Yeah, my name is Måns the Lander.
All right, Mons the Lander. Your 2-bedroom move from Dallas to New York on December 24th at 8 a.m., including the piano, is booked for you. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Thanks for choosing MoveSmart.
Thank you very much. See you.
You're very
I mean, how bad is this? Like, this is like amazing. So, but there are, of course, there are 1,000 questions. How do we like control the calculations of this? I'm not really in the moving business, so $1,000 for this sounds pretty cheap. So but the thing is with AI, you don't really stop and accept whatever it does. You keep asking until you're happy. So let me ask this. How do I control the actual calculations of the offer? I want to be able to manipulate the calculations. So let's send that as a prompt to get some answers, because I mean, you can't rely totally on AI. You have to control things yourself somewhat. Okay, so now I have my answer here. To satisfy your request to integrate your scheduling system, blah, 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 blah. Here's an explanation of the change. So services, quote service.ts. I refactored this file to use a clear price config object at the top. This is where you can control the calculations. You can easily adjust base rate, mileage rates, and service cost. So I do get the stuff here. So let's see, quote services, quote service.ts. I can go over to the code. And what it says, services, quote service. Okay, so here I find all these parameters that actually control the calculations of the cost, so I can set them up as I want to. This is like mind-blowing, and most people aren't doing this to build apps to really sell. But I hope you found this interesting, and I mean, the next thing would be like to publish the website somewhere to go live, and also add Stripe integration for accepting payments and stuff like that. All that stuff is something I show in detail in my school community. So if that's something anywhere interesting, please feel free to sign up. You will find all the details in the description of this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.